Welcome to AgriBot channel. Today we are looking at how Arka Citrus Special helped transform Kagzi lime cultivation in Vijayapura district of Karnataka. From nutrient deficiency and fruit drop to better yield, premium quality and higher farmer income, this is a very practical success story from the field. Kagzi lime is one of the most important horticultural crops of Vijayapura, especially in Indi and Sindagi taluks. It is valued for its thin paper-like rind, high juice content and strong demand in pickles, beverages, cosmetics and even pharma uses. The district contributes a major share of Karnataka's lime production. Still, average productivity was below potential, which means farmers had a big opportunity to earn more from the same orchards. A major challenge in these lime orchards was nutrient deficiency, especially nitrogen, phosphorus, boron, iron, manganese and zinc. Because of the semi-arid climate and soil limitations, plants were not getting balanced nutrition. This directly affected flowering, fruit set, summer yield, and fruit quality. Weak plants also became more vulnerable to sucking pests and mites, reducing market value further. To solve these issues, ICAR KVK Indi conducted 80 frontline demonstrations between 2018 and 2025. These were spread across adopted villages, covering 32 hectares, with each demo plot matched against a farmer practice plot. This is important because it gave real field comparison, not just a lab result. Farmers could directly see the difference in crop health, fruiting and returns. The intervention was not just one spray, but a full package. Farmers were advised to irrigate adequately in May, do light pruning in June, and apply 50 ppm GA3 after pruning to support vegetative growth. Lihosin sprays at 15-day intervals in September were used for flowering regulation. Then Arka Citrus Special, a balanced micronutrient mix, was sprayed monthly from 1 month before flowering up to harvest, along with proper pest management. KVK did not stop with demonstrations. It conducted more than 200 training programs, over 20 field days and more than 1,000 consultations so that farmers could adopt the package correctly. Since Arka Citrus Special was not easily available in local markets, KVK Vijayapura too obtained the production technology license from ICAR, IIHR. A dedicated unit was established in September 2022, and by August 2025, more than 700 kilograms had been produced and supplied to around 1,525 farmers. Farmers started noticing visible changes within just 30 to 45 days. Fruit drop reduced, fruits became bigger and more attractive, and juice content improved. Nutrient deficiency symptoms came down by about 22.5%, while pest incidence reduced by 15 to 20% compared to normal farmer practice. These are exactly the kind of quick and visible results that build farmer confidence. The most convincing part was the yield data over multiple years. Demonstration plots consistently outperformed farmer practice plots, with yield advantage ranging from 16 to 39%. The average yield in demonstrations reached 21.33 tons per hectare, and in 2024-25 it peaked at 24.85 tons per hectare. On top of that, better fruit quality fetched a premium of 250 rupees to 500 rupees per 50 kilograms bag. Yes, the improved package cost a little more, but the extra spending was very small compared to the jump in returns. Before adoption, average district yield was 17.48 tons per hectare, with net income around 2.79 lakh rupees per hectare. After adoption, average yield rose to 21.33 tons, and net income increased to about 4.23 lakh rupees per hectare. The benefit-cost ratio improved from 4.79 to 6.3 on average, and in the best year it reached 9.60. This model proved that balanced micronutrient management can improve both profit and sustainability. Farmers also reduced dependence on chemical fertilizers by 20 to 30%, while soil health, shelf life, and nutritional quality improved. The technology spread quickly through farmer-to-farmer sharing and extension support, covering nearly 214 hectares by August 2025. Vijayapura now stands out as a strong model for citrus innovation that can be scaled through cooperatives and FPOs. So the big takeaway is simple. When nutrient management, flowering regulation, and pest control are combined properly, Kagzi lime can become a much more profitable and sustainable enterprise. If you found this case study useful, like the video, share it with fellow farmers and subscribe to AgriBot for more practical agricultural success stories.